NES light gun melting. It's on broil. You see the end of it, right? Dirty fucking glass. Unbelievable dirty. Oh, it's in on 450 degrees. Let's see. You have to leave them there for an hour, right? Is it hot? It's hot. It's hot as a motherfucker. I meant to do microwave, but I put a piece of aluminum foil in the microwave last night. And the next day it didn't work. I don't know. So I need to open it up now, but it has hex screws enclosing the back case, so I can't get into it to hardwire it. Because I would just stick a straight piece of metal in there and fuck the whole fuse thing. It's okay, I have another light gun. I'm gonna melt it in the microwave. This is so odd. It's been there for a while now. There's still nothing going on. And it is very hot. It has to be about 300 degrees now. A normal car in the summertime gets up to 120s, depending where you are. Oh. I'm not gonna stop till the thing is on fire. Does that even work? Holy shit. Oh shit, it's melting. The handle's melting. Oh, it smells like old food and garbage. That's cool too. What an incentive. I'm gonna stop till the thing's on fire. Toast R oven. I smell it now. Oh god. My neighbor came home from behind and was like, I don't know, you're burning a freaking plastic piece. Let's take a look. Oh, it's toasty. Toasty. It really smells. Let's move back. Brand new grass, probably killed by a fucking ass. Oh, too much heat. You killed a foot of grass. fuck. I'm not gonna stop till this thing's on fire. 5 minutes in. It might take about 17. I don't know. But at least my camera on my phone records longer than the GoPro. Hate editing. Fuck this thing. Built-in battery, cheapo. Hey, buddy, stand up. There you go. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh my god. It's worse. Oh my god. Ah, bad. Bad. So start melting, going on fire. How does it like go on fire? (6.5 minutes) in. GoPro's being knocked over every second. GoPro, don't fuck up. I won't. GoPro, stand up. Stand up. Hey. Look at the separation in the plastic. Ooh, it smells bad. I can't believe the wire to it is no. There's no difference to it. The wire to it is fine. Oh god, it's starting to stink. What's the point of this? What's the fucking point of this camera? I just use my phone. I'll upload it from my phone. Goodbye. Fuck yourself. Holy shit. Oh, you better turn it back around. Fuck, it didn't turn off. Oh, shit. You try to yank on that trigger now, Dirty Harry. Wouldn't it be nice if Dirty Harry, the video game at NES, used a light gun? Wouldn't that be nice? No. How many games use a light gun? How useless is this thing? Like I give a fuck about doing it. And then I'm gonna yank it out. I'm gonna poke at. I'm gonna poke at. Is it? There's tree line behind me. There's shit melting there. Holy god, it's not good. Oh, there's fumes coming out. Alright, I'm gonna take it out. I have a screwdriver here. This will work. Oh my god. Nice cookie. I love cookies. This shit. What? Earth? This is crap. Fuck. I guess it was worth doing. Anyway, guys, see you later.